Hey guys, what's happening? How to convert BTC to USDT on Binance US. So what you're gonna do, log in using your account, hit trade at the bottom middle. At the top, you're gonna see spot, margin, alpha, and convert. Just hit that first option on the left, convert. Okay, and we're gonna select from to, right? So the to or the outcome is USDT. But the crypto, what we want to choose is Bitcoin, right? Let's say Bitcoin. Need these. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna enter the amount in BTC, and the price will be transferred, or the price would be in USDT. Hit preview and confirm that you want to transfer this amount of Bitcoin to USDT. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.